Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we'll run the official installation script by running the next command. Now update package list with the following command. Install the CrowdSec security engine with the next command. The engine only detects threats. To actually block them, we need a bouncer. Use the next command. To make sure everything is communicating correctly, we use this command to verify that our bouncer is successfully registered and active. If you want to see who is currently blocked, run the next command. If you need to take manual action, you can proactively ban an IP with the next command. Mistakes happen, so if you accidentally ban a user or yourself, use the next command to immediately leave the restriction. That's it, now you can start work with CrowdSec. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.